Hi guys, it's Motozi here, and today I'm supposed to get a Tello drone footage, but unfortunately one of the propellers stopped working, so I'm not sure what is the problem. uh, Guys, if you have any idea on what to do with it, for instance, you see the other one is not rolling. If this one stopped working, so I'm not sure what the problem is. If you have any idea what I can do to solve this problem, you can just drop a link down below. And every time I try to start it up, the other ones they roll, but this other one doesn't, so you can see. So guys, if you have any idea or any opinion, let me know. Put something down in the comment below and try to subscribe for more footage. Bye.